Today's problem of the day is Leetcode 869, and in this question we will be given an integer n, and we have, for example, if it is given 821, and we have to find out its combination and see if any combination comes into the power of 2 to the power m. Like here in 128 it is 2 to the power 7. Now how we are going to do it? There are two ways to do. Okay, first is permutation, that you make all the permutation of it, the basic, like the brute force, you make the permutation of it and then see, check each one is happening or not. But there's a problem in it. The constant is today is given 10 to the power 9. It is as high as 10 to the power 9. So we the time complexity will increase a lot if we do with by this, because creating for this one, for example, it is of 3 length, so it will become n factorial, time complexity will become n factorial. So in the case of 10 to the power 9, if the digit it is that much big, then it will give us problem. So what we are going to do is we are going to count the number, like we are going to find out what we are going to do. We are going to find out the number of this. Basically we are going to sort it. For example, 821, I'm going to sort it 128. Even if I'm given, like for example, 218, if I'm going to sort it, 128 will come, right? I will convert it this integer to string and then sort it, so that I will come to know that yes, some valid number will be there, right? We can do like that, no? Now see, and let's see, we are given 10 to the power 1. This is our constraint. In this one, 2 to the power 29 maximum comes. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to see my given number. I'll sort this given number. For example, 821 is given, I convert it into string and then I sort it to 128 will come. Okay, I will see in a for loop, we will check with the condition that whether my sorted string, this which I made, is equal to any of the numbers which lies in this. So how we are going to do? Now this is the function given to us. Now I'm going to convert I'm going to convert this number into an string. Now for this I made a function, because in Java we can't do that. So if this number is given, I convert it into string. I convert it into integer. This integer I converted to a string, and then as you can see in Java I can't directly convert or sort it, so I can't sort string like that, so I converted into character array, and then I sorted that array, and then afterwards I made a new string, so that I made a new string where the character array, sorted character array will come as a string, and then I'm returning the string. Okay, so in our case, if we have given 821, it will be converted, this integer will be converted into string and then sorted out as 128. Okay, now let's get back to our main function. Here this is done, s value is 128. Now I'm going to run the loop from 0 to 29, because the constraint is set to the power 29 can go 10 to the power 9, the max it can go to the 2 to the power 29 in the power of 2. So I am going to run for loop with that. I'm going to see whether my 128 is coming under the power of 2 or not for all 29, for basically 0 to 29, so for all 30, and if it is coming, then I'm going to return true, otherwise false. Similarly, you can see the example. For example, I'm given 46, right? If I'm given this number 46, so sorted will be 46 only, but 64 is the power of 2. So if I am given 46, I can see fine, I sorted is 46 only, and when I run through this loop, my for loop, I can see it will come, 64 will also come, and then it will be sorted to 46. So thus these both are equal, it will return true. Now here what I'm doing is, here I'm making the function s dot equals whether s is equal to this one to the power something. Why I wrote this one? Because if I use math.floor or math.round, math.ceil in Java, then it will be converted to double, and that I have to convert it to integer. By this it will stay in integer itself, so no need for me to convert from double to int. That's why I use this one. This means when you are doing arithmetic left shift, that means multiplication, and when you are doing arithmetic right shift, that means divide option. Okay, so this is how we are going to do today's problem of the day.